Alright guys, i-dispose ko na guys yung isda natin guys. 5 pounds, 6 pounds. Yung malaki 6 pounds, i-dispose ko na ito kasi baka aray. Yan yung 6 pounds natin guys. Okay, $5 ulit that one guys. Let's go lang guys. Good morning guys. Umpisa lang natin guys. As lang, hoy, may kumagat agad guys. As lang ulan guys. Relax mama, relax. First cast natin, kaso lang, swing is coming guys. Ikat ko to guys. Ah. Oh. First cut guys. Ah. But I cut this one because the rain is coming guys. Oh my god. It's a bad day for me now. But it's starting already. See, look. Ah. Good morning, Mar. Mar, good morning. Mr. B, good morning. Nakadali agad tayo guys, oh. Ah. But the rain is coming. Alright. Continuous natin guys. If they not if the rain cannot stop, maybe I go. Right? Morning guys. Katis, mayroon tayong one shot. Woohoo! You see that? It's big size. I'm losing. Oh. I'm losing big size guys. Very bad to me. Honest to goodness guys. Today is all Saipan is raining. But I'm losing 3 big size. But still catching guys. Yeah, honest to goodness. 3 big size. You see that how to fight? I almost crying that one. Crying. Enjoy lang guys. Ha? Ganun talaga guys. Ha? Mr. B, I'm losing bro the big size. Already 3. Only now. It's okay. But all Saipan now is raining. Supposed to be I catch now 5 in the 30 minutes. Only 5. But I'm losing. So that one guys. Continuous lang at least. You see the back. Still raining. I love you mama. I love you guys. Continue some fishing guys. Woohoo! Enjoy! Sorry that, almost big size. Oh my God, Jesus name. Sorry guys. Guys, this morning I came here and probably it's raining, but I can continue to talk guys. This is my first cut guys. This is it. Alright. At least i-continue lang natin guys ang video natin ng this morning and today. Okay? This is my spot guys. This is my spot. Alis ko lang. Ma, good afternoon. I-continue ko lang yung fishing ko this morning because big raining this morning guys. Alright Mr. B, enjoy ka lang dyan po. Kumusta ka na dyan? Guys oh, ito yun. Ayan guys oh. Oh, laki guys. Good Mama Sang. Si Mama Sang. Hi Mama Sang. Ajima. Kami niya guys oh. Grabe. Continuous natin guys this morning. And this is it. Oh, ito. It's very fat. Right? See? Yeah. See, si Mama Sa, oh. That's your boy. See? Alright, continuous natin guys habang alright. Continuous natin guys, oh. Dito lang tayo guys. Ano naman guys, oh. Ang lalaki ng isda doon guys sa dulo guys. So tayo dito lang tayo guys sa harapan guys. Dandaan lang guys. Ay si mama guys, oh. Laki naman ni mama guys dito. Ah, mama. Ay mama. Guys, oh. Dito lang tayo sa tabi guys, oh. Dito lang sa ispatan guys, oh. Ayun, oh. Ah. Nakatatlo na agad tayo bago mag alas 5 guys, oh. Ganyan man kalalaki guys. Not bad na yan guys. Tingnan mo yung mahuli natin, oh. I-continuous lang guys kasi this morning I have the stand but already broken my stand guys. Alright, discuss ko lang. Ayan na guys, oh. Alright. Okay, no. Continuous natin guys. Ay bamasang. Yeah. Guys, oh. Come to mama guys. Hey par, how are you? See? Oh, thank you par. Good afternoon par. Oh, we have a friend. The follower.
Oh yeah, good size man.
See? Yeah. Number 6 natin guys. Pag nakuha natin to guys, oh. Saan ba yan guys? Kasi lang, hindi yata mablaki guys. Ayun guys, oh. Tama na to guys. Ini yan. Tamang pamprito guys. Ha? Kawala yung isa guys. Kailangan ko tiyas ng papadire.
Look at guys.
Why? That's the one. I tell you guys, the small one. I make pupulutan that one. Alright. See that? Guys. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum, Mr. B. And this is my catching again guys. Pang fry naman yan. Fry cook. Okay. I-continuous ko lang yan guys yung video ko sa umaga. Sa ngayon, sa gabi ngayon. Sa this morning, I losing only 4 too. That is okay. Alright, sa Top Omar. And Mr. B in the California. And Steve Buano in the Las Vegas. Alright. God bless guys. And thank you very much. And I love you guys. And I love you mama in the beach side. And mama in the land. See you soon guys. Alright.